So in this video you will learn VLAN, Inter-VLAN, VTP, static routing, dynamic NAT and PAT. Okay, so first of all we will see the core switch running configuration. With double clicking on it, go to CLI, then type EN for enable, then type show running config. We will see the running configuration the switch. Okay, so there are some pool in pool VLAN 20 is will add network 192.168.20 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. The default router is 192.168.20.1. DNS server is 172.17.1.1. Like this, we will create like this. We will also create VLAN 30, VLAN 40, VLAN 50, VLAN 60. Okay. Then we allow interface fast Ethernet 0/3. We'll make it trunking protocol by the command is switch port trunk allowed VLAN 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. We will allow all the VLAN in this interface. Okay, and interface F/01 will make it turn and only allow VLAN 20. Okay, and in gigabit Ethernet 0/1 we'll add the IP address 192.168.10.2 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, then we will add the VLAN interface IP. Each VLAN we will add the IP address. Okay, in VLAN 20 we will add the IP address 192.168.20.1 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Like this we will add others VLAN in IP address. Okay, and the route in static route the, the command is IP route space 0/0.0.0.0 means all the network, again 0.0.0.0 and bypass through 192.168.0.10.1. Okay, this is the core switch configuration. Likewise, there are different switch. This VLAN 20 switch. We'll see the configuration by typing show running configuration. So in VLAN 20 the interface into we also make it, and F0/3 is used for only access. This is VLAN 20. This is VLAN 30. This is the same configuration. Okay. This is VLAN for 50. Sorry, this is VLAN 60. This is the main router configuration. So router, the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1, we will add the IP address 192.168.10.1. This IP NAT inside, duplex mode auto and speed also auto. Okay. In interface serial 0/1/0, we will add the IP address 200.0/0.0.1 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.248. This IP NAT outside. Okay, this is inside IP NAT inside. This is IP NAT outside. So we will create a pool called min/main. Pool starting IP and ending IP. Starting IP is 200.0.0.3 and ending IP the same. This net mask 255.255.255.248 and the IP space NAT space inside the source list. The source list 1 and the pool name is min/main. Okay, and the IP route is this is the IP route. Then access list space access list name 1 and permit this IP address. Okay, this is the ISP end router configuration. Okay, this is the 8.20.1 and this system IP address is 192.168.60.1. This is the gateway. IP address is 102. Okay, so we'll ping this PC to this PC. Then click this PC, go to desktop and go to command prompt. First of all, we'll check the IP address by typing ipconfig. This is the IP address. Now we will ping this system. Okay, this system IP address is 192.168.60.102. Type ping 192.168.60.102. So first, so this is pinging. So this ping is working. Okay, we can ping also the same system. This IP address is 20.1.30.1. Okay, we'll ping 168.30.101. This is working fine. Okay, now want to access this server from this PC. No, from this PC. I want to access this server from this PC. So packet will be this is the main router, this IP ISP router, different network, this different IP address. So this what let's see with this PC program desktop to browser type this IP address 10.0.0. Now this working. This is the server. This server is accessible. Okay. I can access this server. Also, we can access anywhere. Okay. So in this video, we will learn VLAN, Inter-VLAN, VTP. VTP means Virtual Trunking Protocol. So let's go to this system. Okay, so that's it for now. In the next video, we will discuss each and every topic in each video. Okay, differently. One video for VLAN, one video for Inter-VLAN, one video for PTP, one video for static routing,